Dental imaging software using the CS-Adapt filter library recorded class. This recorded class is designed for clinical team members. It provides instruction on using the CS-Adapt filter library with the 8100 series, 9000 series, and 9300 series X-ray units, and the 6200 RVG. The Adapt filter library can optimize image contrast for 2D Panoramic, Cephalometric, and 6200 RVG exams, according to user needs and preferences. By the end of this class, you should be able to use the control panel filter presets, launch and navigate the library, identify library filters, assign favorites and acquisition default settings, create and edit a filter, and import and export favorites and custom filters. Using the control panel filter presets. When you open a radiographic image, a selection of filters offering various contrast enhancements is displayed in the image control panel. Select from these preset filters. The filters in the control panel are favorites configured among a range of filters. You can configure favorites by accessing the CS-Adapt library. Launch and navigate the CS-Adapt library. To launch the filter library, click the CS-Adapt library button. The library can also be accessed from the RVG, Cephalometric, or Panoramic tabs in the Preferences window. When the CS-Adapt library opens, accept the warning message or close. Select a favorite to modify or apply at acquisition. When a filter is selected to apply at acquisition, the X-ray symbol will be displayed in the bottom right corner. When you select to modify a favorite, the filter library is displayed. Note the following parts of the filter library. About displays the application about information. Edit Preferences imports or exports libraries of favorites and custom filters. Online Help opens Online Help. Overview shows the effect of a selected filter. The filter is highlighted in the gallery. Gallery displays thumbnails of available filters. Edit Pane, place your mouse over a thumbnail to display the Edit Pane functions. Note, in the Edit pane, some functions may be grayed out. You cannot edit or delete factory presets. To edit, you must copy a factory preset. When a favorite is grayed out, it has already been set to use in the control panel. Identify library filters. The filters available in the library are grouped according to image type. Each image type, Cephalometric, Panoramic, and RVG6200, has multiple groups of preset filters. See the CS-Adapt library help for detailed information on the filters. Assign favorites and acquisition default settings. When the CS-Adapt filter library is opened, you can assign a favorite to its corresponding button and select a favorite to be applied at acquisition. The filter selected to apply at acquisition is identified by the X-ray symbol. Click Modify Favorite to select filters displayed by each control panel button. Create and edit a filter. To create a filter, first copy an existing filter. Click here to copy an existing filter. Select the filter copy and click Modify to create a custom filter. In the Customize window, you can name the custom filter, view original filter and customize filter, zoom into an area of the image, adjust the brightness and contrast sliders, adjust the brightness and contrast with the histogram. When adjustments have been made, name the custom filter and select Create to save. Import and export favorites and custom filters. Libraries of favorites and custom filters can be imported and exported as zip file archives. In the CS-Adapt library software, go to the System icons and click Preferences. The Preferences window is displayed. In the Preferences window, click Import Image Preferences or Export Image Preferences. Browse to the relevant folder. Select or specify the zip archive you want to use, and click OK. Note, if you import a library that contains filters that already exist in your software, you will be prompted to overwrite them. Now you should be able to use the Control Panel filter presets, launch and navigate the library, identify library filters, assign favorites and acquisition default settings, create and edit a filter, and import and export favorites and custom filters.